Hello. Today I have a sudden visit. My son's senior high school. I was very happy to have opportunity to see the math classroom. And I met Ms. Bilko and Mr. Pang, which is very nice for me to talk with them about having some opportunity. So I got the recommendation to send the video to Mr. Davis about this technology. So this is very hard to explain how we make the system, but anyway, the result you are watching is all real time, which means you can use this one just as like I'm doing. So I have a document camera, which is a USB camera here, and also let's assume we have a room here. So in this room we have projector screen. So we are assuming this screen will have this video. So when you want to show, for example, this side bigger, then they will show the PowerPoint on this screen. This screen I can bring the PowerPoint because this is basically my notebook. So you see what I'm moving here. So I just make one PowerPoint slide, bring here, make a full screen. So all this one is a real time, and then all this pointer is a kind of the tablet drawing and writing. So we do a mouse pointer, and also you can use a tablet to show something. We call this machine is IStudio, which is called personal station. So right now I have a document camera. So assume that you have a document camera there. So I can bring my notebook slightly front to remove this one on the floor. So basically we are using graphic to show beautiful desk, and also we have a camera movement, all operation by the teacher. So you can make a big screen when you start the classroom. You can design all the decoration very easily. For example, when you want to have change the background, we can change the background like that way. Immediately you have a different. Or you can do this way. So I can put that way to show different way. Or you can make any picture you can bring here to have a different look like this way. So let's go to show the presentation. So this is just looking like a CNN style of classroom. So all the students here will see this output on the projector where you can show everything which you want to demonstrate there. So this the conference and presentation is made this way, so you can imagine this video going to Skype to any place in the world. That means they have the same presentation as you have there. So far we are very familiar with the Camtasia, which is screen recording, editing, and publishing this presentation to any place. This Camtasia method has a limited to combining and switching the scene. So in the broadcast industry, every time we have a camera scene change, so we are making different ways. Sometimes we can show this way. So you don't have to reconnect something to projector screen. You just make a clicking mouse. You can switch from here to another one, or sometimes you can make both one together, or like that way. So all the design of the screen is very easy. We provide you so you can change everything immediately. For example, here, if you want to have a bigger or smaller this monitor, you just click the monitor and then resize like this way, or you can rotate this one in 3D space by yourself. So all operation is actually real time, so you can configure everything like this way or that way. So what we are emphasizing is we are providing a teacher to have a CNN style broadcasting environment, and all operation we give only mouse for you to control. Just left click, right click to change, zooming in, zooming out, just rotating the field like that way. So this is a new way of presentation for students watching the screen only, and there you show whatever you want to show. Sometimes teacher make a teacher's face very big. Of course you can hide the screen, this one and that one, if you click this one simply when you set up to make that screen hide. then always teacher will talk to the students. And good thing is when you watch the students, immediately your eye going to the camera, which means all students will have simultaneously eye contact watching your eye to the students. Every student thinking teacher is simultaneously watching all the students like you are watching my video. So I'm bringing this technology to the school to have a live presenter. This is like a projector and notebook. This machine will bring every content to the classroom, so all the students will see whatever you want to show. So the important thing is you can design, you can manage everything by yourself. So students will watch exactly what you want to show like this way. So that way we can bring this one to the students to show all the information easily. This is the way of different presentation technique. We bring teacher and presenting material in virtual space, and then we organize this one to make a better showing to the students. So any place we can put this one very easily, and then they can make a very beautiful screen. So they have many different way of presentation. In case you can bring students can show this one together, something like that. And sometimes you can make a very large scale to have a feeling in different way, for example. So what I'm proposing now is this machine can do the virtual reality presentation like I'm doing. So they have a camera action, and also they show the real-time beautiful screen output. And same time this one going to Skype for in case you need a distance presentation to other class or other school. Very easily you can make a bi-directional interactive control. And also this one can go immediately after the teaching. You can put in the YouTube or any LMS server, so they can be reviewed by the students when they have more questions. And same time, theoretically, we can do live broadcast if necessary. So all the campus students can see simultaneously from any place in the campus or any place in the world. So that means the IStudio, which I'm using, is a new era of smart class, which means the classroom don't have to be only for the students, but this teaching can be stay forever and also wherever, any world in smart devices. Every place we can put this device, and the output is a real time, so they can use this one as a presenting device for showing more efficient way, more effective way. For example, when you have a teacher here, the presenter is very small face here. So to make a big showing to all the people here, you need to have certain technology like I'm doing now. In that case, your face become very big in the projector screen, so every student can easily understand, easily see your face, gestures, all the emotions you can bring there easily. So this I hope to use in studio class, so where they show this one in real time by the teacher, all operation by teachers. So whole idea for this presenting is very easy. So presentation video recording, we believe, can alternative teacher. So the presentation video you made in IStudio in real time, either offline or in real time in the class, can be better or at least the same level as presentation we do in real time. So this one doesn't need any editing. This one can publish in any place in your learning management system. So this lecture capture, we would say, there are many professional, very expensive lecture capture device, but the way they are doing is very different from the way we are doing right now. So that machine, we can put any small space. So in case you need this one in some space, we can arrange that way to have an independent recording place. Or you can put this one in any small space in the classroom, for example. So the new smart presentation method, I hope to install, use in case any teacher like I want work closely to make it more convenient and more efficient way. And once it really happen, this is a really new generation of presentation. I am quite sure that this IStudio really contribute to education, and we already tested in many countries, many places. And then I'm very interested in using this one in real time in the classroom, and want to see how students and how a teacher will feel to use this technology. And once more, this method is really a good thing because it can record exactly same presentation as students watching in the project screen, so they can see this projector screen in any time, in any place. So we really hope to put this machine here, I mean this place, so all the existing device we can connect, document camera, tablet, note, everything we connect here, and eventually this one will show in the screen as like you are watching my video. This video will go to the projector screen, so every student here can simultaneously watching this screen, and everybody has a eye contact, as I mentioned before. So that will bring very concentrate teaching, which will bring very new generation of teaching method. I hope to help or work jointly. So I try to bring better technology than any other school, because my son is anyway studying very hard from there. Anyway, Happy New Year. I'm very sorry for interrupting your discussion today, but I hope Davis or the Mr. Spiker or Mr. Pang hope to use this machine to check whether this is a new revolution of the education. Thank you very much.